Now let's make some meaty yet deeply cooked and delicious fried plantain, and trust me, you'll be glad you came across this video today. And just in case it's your first time in this channel, you're very welcome. Please do consider subscribing and also hit on that bell icon to turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload new videos. And for my return subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for sticking around. We will start by washing the plantains before peeling it so you don't get to transfer dirt to the meaty part of the plantains. And just like I said, it's going to be meaty, meaning you don't have to slice it thinly. You have to cut it just you see me doing. Make sure it's as thick as possible. And don't worry about the thickness. With the method I'm going to show you today, it's going to be properly cooked inside out. Next, go ahead and sprinkle some salt for taste. In your heated pot, go ahead and add some vegetable oil. Heat up the oil, then go ahead and drop in some onions. Allow it to fry for a few seconds or even up to 1 minute so the flavor can infuse into the oil and plantain. Go ahead and drop your sliced plantain and be sure to start cooking from low to medium heat. In this method, you don't use high heat so that it will be properly cooked. The inside will be sweet and well cooked. Fry for 8 to 12 minutes or until it's golden brown, then you flip to the other side. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Once the plantains are cooked or fried to your taste, go ahead and take them out of the oil. Ensure to put it on a paper towel to absorb the oil. So just go ahead and fry in batches until you are done. Here we've got our meaty yet flavorful and delicious plantains. And trust me, the inside is cooked properly. Go ahead and enjoy with your pap, custard, egg, ketchup, name it. You can also eat it as a meal if you can. I've blown 1001 minds using this method I learned from my aunt. Give it a shot and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Bye bye.